Hello and welcome to the Linux B episode of Git, where we are going to see how we can install the Git on the Ubuntu. So here we have already opened the Git website, git-scm.com. So here we can see there is a one download button, so which will click it. So it will basically show you for how you can download the Git for different operating systems. So here we will see select it on Linux to see what are the ways to install Git on the Linux. So currently we are using the Git on Ubuntu Linux. So here we can see this is the way we can install the Git on Ubuntu. So we can select this command, copy this, and then open the new terminal. We open the new terminal here. So we can just see that how we can install it. Now before we go and installing the Git, we can see here that if we type the command Git, we can see that Git is not found, but it also suggested the way we can install Git. So you can either choose for what has been suggested, or you can choose for what we seen onto the website. So we can preferably use what has been given on the website. So we have to make sure that we use it with the sudo permission. So for example, if we did not use the sudo permission, we can see that we don't have the permission to install the Git. So we will go and use the sudo permission and install the Git. Now we have to enter the password. Now once we enter the password, we can see that we are able to install the Git. It is asking to confirm whether we want to continue or not. Yes, we can see basically it is getting installed. So we will have to wait it till it gets installed. Yeah, now it got successfully installed. Now if we check now what is the Git, yeah, so we can show that it did show us where the Git is installed. Now we can see using which command where the Git is actually installed. As we can see here, the Git has been installed it on the user bin Git. That's it for now. How to configure the Git, we will see it into the next episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you.